Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss my honest tool comparison and tutorials. Today we are doing an actual side-by-side comparison of Invideo vs Canva in 2025. Both are popular for creating videos and social content, but which one is actually better for you? So let's break it down and let's talk about what is Invideo. So here you can see actual result of them. So if you can see the video here, let's talk about first up let's talk about Invideo. Invideo is an AI powered video creation tool. It's designed to help you make professional looking videos fast. Even if you have zero editing experience, you can use Invideo to make your YouTube videos, create ads for Facebook, Instagram or TikTok. You can use Invideo to turn text into video using AI. Then you can use template for intros, promos and more. In 2025, Invideo has improved its AI script to video engine. You just paste your text to the style and it generates a video in minutes. So what is the Canva? Let's talk about. So you probably know Canva as a design tool for graphics, but in 2025 Canva's video editor is much more powerful. With Canva you can create videos from scratch or use thousands of templates here. Then you can edit clips with drag and drop tools. You can do animations, music and stock footage. Also you can make presentations, reels, ads and even full YouTube videos. And also you can design matching thumbnails, graphics and social posts all in one place. So Canva is more of an all-in-one design platform that also handles video pretty well. So now let's talk about the key difference between these two platforms. What is the main difference between InVideo and Canva? InVideo is a video focus, like it is all about getting polished videos done fast with AI helping you write script, pick stock clips and generate scenes automatically. Canva is an all-rounder. You can design literally anything: logos, flyer, presentations, social media posts, and even videos too. So it is all in one platform for you. In short, I can say that InVideo is equal to AI video creation specialist. You can see their InVideo features here. You can see it. And if you see the Canva is equal to design everything including videos. If your main goal is video first, InVideo has more video templates and tools. If you want all in one design, half Canva is your go-to options. So now let's talk about the pricing. So if you see the InVideo pricing here, that InVideo has a free plan. Actually here you can see with watermark. Paid plans start around $15 to 13 months depending on features and export quality, including premium templates and AI tools. Also Canva, let's talk about the Canva pricing. Let's go to the incognito window and search for pricing and let's see actual results. So there's no found. So let's search for the Canva and see there's pricing, plan and pricing over that place. Here you can see, let's click the comparing pricing and you will find out that free plan for basic design and video editing. Canva Pro is about $12 to $15 per month. You can get premium stock videos, animation, brand kits and unlimited exports. So both are pretty affordable. It really depends on where you want more AI video features. InVideo are all-in-one design tools. So which one should you use? So basically, which one is preferable for you in 2025? If you go with InVideo, like if you want to turn text into videos quickly with AI, if you want to focus mainly on video content, YouTube ads, social media, you can go with InVideo. If you prefer guided templates and automated editing, then you can go with InVideo also. Then let's talk about the Canva. If you want to design, like you want to design everything in one place, graphic, video, slides, social posts, then you can go with Canva. Then if you like flexibility and drag and drop editing, then you can go with the Canva. Also if you need a template for other stuff too, like presentation and branding, then you can go with the Canva also. Next, let's go and let's wrap up the video here, and that's it for today. My honest side-by-side comparison of Invideo versus Canva in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment below in the comment box. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.